My video guide is about getting rid of the new ransomware from the DJVU family, and this ransomware is called Coba, C-O-B-A. It is called like that because it encrypts files and damages them essentially, and then it is not possible to use the files anymore. My video is only for the educational purposes though. As you can clearly see, before the ransomware attack we are able to open our files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Coba ransomware may be easily injected into the device. Then, after users restart their computers, they suddenly realize that something bad has taken place with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. This Coba ransomware encrypts files and damages them essentially. So obviously files are no longer accessible, and very soon people realized that this Coba extension was additionally added to the file names. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. When you try to open the specific file, you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with this Coba extension. And if you try to remove this extension manually, this still does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. The ransomware actually tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. But definitely paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so if you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. What we recommend you to do is immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware programs such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and click on Start Scan button to begin the research of your computer. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in this mode. I need to mention, of course, that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect your data with this anti-ransomware feature, which is the component of the premium license of Combo Cleaner. But you need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Based on this summary of threats, some infections can be removed manually, of course, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.